Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do your map project this week. I assume three things. One, that you have gone ahead and installed Jing, which is a screen capture program, or you have something similar already installed on your computer, that you have Google Earth installed, and that you have gone ahead and installed the USGS topographic maps that go in Google Earth. Okay, so your assignment is to find the FRC football field, and if you go up here to the top where the search box is, we're going to just type in Feather River College, Quincy, California. Hit the search, and it will take us right there. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so I'm going to scroll out. You can use your mouse wheel to just scroll out a little bit. I already have a pin in here, so I'm going to just get rid of that. Show you how to do that in a second. So here's Feather River College, and here's our football field. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is go up to your Tools, Options, 3D View, and you're going to come down here and you're going to click the button that says Universal Transverse Mercators. That's going to change you from lat long to the UTM system that we'll be using. Hit Apply and OK. Now, if you look down here at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that as I move my cursor, my UTM coordinates will change as well. Okay? So if I place my cursor right in the middle of the football field and I look down at the bottom of the screen, you can go ahead and note what your UTM coordinates are going to be. You can also note the elevation is in the same area. Next thing I want you to do is put a place marker on it. So hit your push pin up here at the top of the screen. You'll notice that a place marker comes up. We're going to take that and we're going to put that right in the middle of the football field. Now, this box will open as well. I'm going to go ahead and change the name of that to FRC football field. Okay? I'm going to click OK. And now our marker is tagged with the center of the football field. Next thing you're going to want to do is take a screenshot of this and upload it so that I know that you've accomplished this. You're going to, if you have Jing, click up here on Capture, and this is a very simple thing to do. It comes up, you're just going to go ahead and mark the area that you want to capture. Click on this box right here, Capture Image. It's going to say Save. We're going to name this as FRC Football Pick. Alright? And then right here at the bottom it says Save. And that's going to allow me to save it. I'm just going to drop this on the desktop so that it's going to be easy to upload. Alright? Hit close on that. Now, you're also tasked with doing the same thing on a topo map, and this is really simple to do. We're just going to scroll out a bit. And if you've installed your topo maps, you should see this blue grid. Okay, these are going to be in your temporary folder places. You should see it here in Places, and it should say USGS Topographic Maps right here. So we scroll out. You'll notice that each quad, these all relate to quadrangles. If you click on the name, it'll say View Map, and hopefully our quad map should come up. There we go. Sometimes you have to scroll out a little bit further for it to access. So now we have our quad map, and it's the Quincy quad right here. And we are going to scroll back into this map, and you see that we have our place marker. It's already in place. You're going to want to use this little button right here at the bottom and click on this, because what this is going to do is make our map go flat. And if you're ever preparing maps for archaeological reports, you want to make sure that the quad map is absolutely flat. I'm going to click on the north arrow at the top to make sure that it's absolutely north, and it's absolutely flat. Okay? We're going to go ahead and scroll in a little bit here, use our mouse, and this is where the football field is actually plotted on a topographic map. So again, you're going to go up to Jing, click on the capture button, delineate the area that you want for your picture, hit the capture image, and we'll save this as FRC football topo pic. And again, I'm just going to save this to my desktop. Okay, pretty straightforward, yeah? Alright, so then the next thing you're going to want to do is, I can discard this information, is you're going to want to go to the class site, okay, sorry about that. I had to go and switch my role to the instructor, otherwise I don't have access to actually uploading anything. So question number 2, and we are going to go ahead and reply to this. You're going to click on this button right here, okay? And we are going to find an image to upload. In this case, it is on the desktop, so we're going to go choose File. And I have a very messy desktop. So let's see if we can find these guys here. There's the topo pic. We're going to open that up. We're going to upload this. Okay, we're going to insert that. Alright, so there's our topo map. Now, this is going to be very large, but the nice thing about using Jing is that we don't really have to worry too much about file size. It has a tendency to make the files nice and small, so it shouldn't be a problem to upload them. But we want to be able to see these in the forum, so you need to click on this little image right here on the side. You notice when I clicked on the map, it turned blue. And then if you scroll all the way up to the top, you see these little white boxes right here and right here. Also, you'll see them on the side of the picture right here. We're just going to go up to the top. We're going to click on that so that we get a double arrow on each end. If you hit your control button while you do this, it will make sure that the map size stays relative. So when you scroll it down, it doesn't get all wonky looking. Okay, that looks like that's pretty good. We're going to post that to the forum. Continue, and there we go. We can see our map. Okay, you're going to want to do the same thing with your other map as well. You can drop and drag it here. I prefer that you use this little button right here, find their map. And again, we're going to go to my desktop because that's where I saved it. And we are looking for the aerial view right there. Open that one up. Upload the folder. Insert it. OK. Click on the picture. Grab this little button on the side. And scroll the picture down. When you can see about this much of it inside the box as far as width goes, it's probably about the right size. Okay? Post that to the forum. Continue. And there you go. So when you post these, you want to make sure that when you view them, that you see them like this. If they're sideways, if they're so large that I can't see the entire picture, I'm going to be marking you down for them. Alright? And then in your posting itself, you're going to include your UTM for the football field. All right then. get to work.